We'll never silence us. Mwanye sambire. Bati tutagete kuboriga. Ngore mutagete tuikaranse kutaka kukwana. Enyumba ya Nyankana yaga etago ruyonsi yaga chukurunse bakere tumana kurangirwa tuikaranse nonde bwente tutagete tumacha kukwana. Murembe to goja kere bintu bitu bisarigete engenjenga ngine. Wono ngore mwakorera Nyankana mambingi toko manyango goja ngobangire kokore ruki. The other time mko gwete mbatangaze tabaka bakate bangoja banenge mwane gonsambero. You've seen kero musikondo minteyete omusiko kero. It's normal. It's a normal practice. Abantu ngo imbichi kubale, abantu ngo seli kubale, ekero obokoreri bwabo, kusobokoreri bwao, utarabo buya, ojaza abantu kutrenera. Bono njege ntugianzi nyire kuikabono ngo nakweboli. Okero atachore tunakoma ni mwanainji. Okero nigachore tu na abaminto aba MCA. Why is he now making it ewokubora nganige ntokere unusual? Uchukorangeri nande ngana abantu akorangeria machambazi ato acha kuturwanima ngana kwa komokoba gucha. We are happy, we are not comfortable, and we will tell our security agencies to take up this matter. And the first thing that we really need to happen before this goes to the dogs is that we want to make sure we want now to see that house of Honorable Nyankana is built from the ground to top. Where anybody who wants us to sit down around the table, that's when we will come and talk. But for now, I'm telling you, if that thing is not going to be done, we're not ready to sit with anybody to solve the issues that we have. We're ready to solve after the house of Honorable Nyankana has been built. Secondly, the state of the officer who was banned to almost 75% is relooked at, and then you call us to a round table. But for now, I'm telling you, it's not going to be business as usual. We've seen these guys are ready to kill, not even to threaten. They are ready to kill. So we're dealing with the thugs. Honorable Okelo, stay away from the county assembly. And I'm telling you this. Honorable Nyaribo, with what you did, Your Excellency, we know what you've been planning for us. And by intimidating us, that one will never give us a reason of stepping down. You've made us now to think of now coming for you. And we come in for you, almost we will not going to relent. You can't kill, you wanted to kill a soldier? You wanted to kill Nyankana? Before you kill us, the country will know who is on the wrong. Pesa zetu zimeibiwa, mali yetu kwa usimamizi imekuwa ni usimamizi ubaya, hata maendeleo hatuna hapa Nyamira. And that's why we craving for change. We're not happy as honorable members of the County Assembly of Nyamira, and we'll be coming back to issue our official statement from this honorable County Assembly. Thank you. This is Honorable Vituko Masira, MCA Township, and the majority chief.
Kumwakira Nyasaye mbiyamono asubuhi arubato letire na kugikeria egekore ekegiakoreka no butuko bugukirero murocha egase bunge yaito ya Nyamira magachaya bacha bataka basambe lakini basambe nyumba yo mu security oyumiete bonore nyagetari tukumusabira Nyasaye mukonye halafu ngikerie egekore baenda bakabwo mu MCA itubu mwagamo musikechulia Nyangana basambe nyumba ya yipi kintu nkiyo bakonye kurumbi abete ne ine igara kini ime basambe tekirege tebenga mushimiwa Nyangana Nyasaye tigakore mi pamoja n'abantu bambu mwagamo abantaba nabo mogo to intimidate nabo mogo tokosa lakini muri gukototanga gukora kirikirengeta abananchi baito banyamira Nyasaye tigakonya Nyamira yaiteworoke nande nale gusaba vitengo vya ubelelezi CDCI n'abaskari mbamanyete n'ingorwete kibesa abantu bakaretwa kurwa kinsema wao bakaumurwa igayigora the same people bali nabwo aba bari gutara butuko abande mbamanyire tigabarangiriwe batebiwo babori winki bakoboria aba MCA inki bakobori ne bunge ya Nyamira biyamono Nyasaye tigabaseni abantu baitwa Nyamira tusaberani biyamono
The Assembly is going to release an official statement this afternoon. Just as other members have said, the independence of the Assembly is at stake, as you can see. We are getting other members hiring goons to invade our Assembly, and that includes other MCAs. The Assembly has procedures of taking disciplinary action against those members. One member that is involved in putting the operations of the Assembly at stake. We have had one of our workers, who's a security guard, banned an assessment of about 50%. He's currently in ICU. We've had the house of one of our honorable members, who is the minority leader, Julius Nyankana, burnt down 3 quarters. We have had recently, as you are aware, one of our supporters of the rights of our wananchi, the man called Charles Kinanga, or the commonly known as Provincial, who is now dead. And most of the lives of our members are at stake. And I say thank you very much, members of the press, for what you are doing in terms of highlighting what is going on in Nyamira. But I can assure you, the Assembly is strong and it's going to overcome the challenges.
Wantagete kuburi kubisi muru nyanchanga igoro inu mweru chirete abantu common mwananchi oire chiyuni chie county ya Nyamira chia enforcement officers babegete una nabwa bakolie gazi be serikali ya Nyamira intotagete na ande komanya the position because the custody of those people babwate tuwe koro kinga maene inki kiagenderete gaiga as a county ya Nyamira oikeraiga antagete ko gotemine kento twarorire nkeringa amangana narabangire oitania ya turuchi ebi byakorwa imbiri abamura bare gototebi kurusika bugoro bare gototebi kurusika bugoro ngango sambiru turi nyumba yite ya Assembly obichi basambire nyumba ekero wikera gusamba enyumba yo muske Julius Nyankana teringa ere segento kerege tutararura nganki batagete gukora
commotion around and several goons around, and some were hired by our colleagues, MCS, and the suspended Speaker Enoch Okeru. And they were there. We are not just guessing. What we are mentioning, they were there with those goons. You saw them yesterday. Who are our wananchi who are being misused? And we are pleading to the wananchi that whatever we are doing is for their benefit. We are not doing anything for our benefit as an individuals. So let them not be used by our colleagues.